What's up? Welcome to Rayman Can. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tail light bulbs on a Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's get started. Here are some of the tools you're going to need. A trim tool, flathead screwdriver, socket wrench, socket size 10. If you don't have the socket set, you can use a Phillips screwdriver. That will work instead. And also light bulb number 7528. First thing to do is to open the hatch. In this case, we're replacing the bulb on the right-hand side. So look for these two openings right here. Stick a flathead screwdriver just a little bit of the way in, and without too much pressure, just kind of pop this plastic cover piece right off. Shouldn't take much effort at all. Be a little bit better prepared to me. Try not to let it fall on the ground. Next up, we're going to use a socket wrench size 10 to remove these two screws. If you don't have a socket wrench, just use a Phillips screwdriver. That will work as well. Right here, we're going to use the trim tool, stick it in right here, about 1/4 of an inch, and just lightly pry back just a little bit while pushing the light housing away from the car, and it should pop right off. The bulb we are replacing is located inside of this piece right here. Turn it counterclockwise about 1/4 of the way, and then pull it out. As for the bulb itself, push it in, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it out. As for the new bulb, if you have some bulb grease, apply it to the sides right here and right around here, maybe a little bit on the bottom. And then also those dimples, line them up with the two holes in the housing. Push it in and turn it clockwise. Before we put everything back together, now is a good time to turn on the lights to make sure the bulb works. If everything's good, then now let's proceed to put everything back together. Next up, you want to simply align the 4 cutouts with the same size of the ones that are on the light bulb housing. Put the light bulb housing inside and turn it clockwise. Next up, on the body of the vehicle, there's 2 holes, one here and one here. And there's also a receiving clip here. On the light housing itself, you have 2 guide pins here and here. And you also have a receiving in here. Line those up correctly. Align those up correctly, push firmly, and push forward. And make sure you don't pinch any wires. Now we're going to install our 2 screws that we took out earlier. It's also a good idea to make sure you don't over tighten the screws. Now the last thing to do is to put this piece of plastic back in place. Use these guide pieces right here and put them in the appropriate holes, and this piece should just firmly snap right back in place. And that wraps this video up. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you know anyone that could use this information, please share this video with them. Questions or comments, please put them below. And for a link to the products that were used in this video, check out where the links go. Thanks for watching.